Hello friends, welcome to my another video tutorial on programming questions for placement process. And in this particular video I am going to discuss another very interesting problem taken from LeetCode, and the problem is not boring movies. Okay, the problem says X city opened a new cinema. Many people would like to go to this cinema. This cinema also gives out a poster including movies rating and descriptions. Please write a SQL query to output movies with an odd numbered ID and a description that is not boring. Order the result by rating. So suppose for this particular example, if you consider this test case, for example, table cinema has these four columns named ID, movie, description and rating. 1 2 3 4 5 are the ID numbers. Movies names are also given in string, description in string and rating in floating point arithmetic. Okay, so now if we have to determine this condition, if we have to check this particular condition, that is the cinema also gives rating and description, and we have to give the output movies with an odd numbered ID and the description which is not boring, and also you have to order. See here, if you observe for this particular table, the house card has ID as odd number and its description is also not boring, and rating is 9.1, which is quite obvious that it is getting maximum rating from this particular 5 values. We can clearly understand 9.1 is maximum. Here 5 is odd number, so ID is odd and description is also not boring. So this particular output, this particular row should be given to the output first. Okay, see here, that's what it is given. And then after 5, if you observe, next highest is 8.9 and its ID is 1, which is basically not an even number, so this is odd number, and description is also not boring, so this should be given as second row. Okay, see second row. But for all other case, if you observe, for 3 it is although the ID number is odd but the description is boring, so it will not come as output. For second one, if you observe, this is 2, ID number is 2, which is even number, so for that it will not come in the output. And for the fourth row also, the ID number is even number, so that output will not come. Okay, for in our output this particular row will not come. So how to write the code? Very simple. Split according to your requirement. Whatever conditions are given, we will write one by one. So first of all the columns should be given as output, so select star. Okay, no need to separately write the individual columns. So select star from cinema. I have given the table name. Now see, first condition is odd numbered ID, so where mod of ID comma 2, that is we are calculating whether the ID number is odd or even, so mod ID comma 2 not equal to 0. Okay, because you know for odd number, if we divide by 2 we will get remainder. Okay, so basically, and for even number we will not get any remainder. So basically, to check the odd number, ID comma 2, the mod value when ID is divided by 2 should be not equal to 0. And simultaneously one more condition has to be satisfied, that is description that is not boring, so description not equal to boring. Okay, and then we have to order the result by rating, so order by rating. And what is the, how we are ordering? See, maximum is coming first, then lesser values are coming after that. So basically order by rating decreasing. Okay, normally if you don't define anything in order by default it will arrange in ascending order, but we require in descending, so that I am writing DESC. Order by, I hope you know the syntax format. Order by, then column name, then if you want you can define by which order you want to print. Okay, so that's all. This is the simple query. Let me submit this and show you whether the code is working or not. So see, yeah, this is accepted. Okay, so this type of problems are very important for different service and product company based placement process. In interview, in the written round, they may give SQL queries. Okay, so practice this kind of questions well. This is all for my this video. Thank you for watching.